How to enable dark mode on YouTube. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all you want to go ahead and open up your preferred browser in your PC or laptop. And once you open it up, you want to go ahead and in the search bar search for youtube.com. Now once you search for it, you want to make sure that you're signed into your YouTube account. Now once you are signed in, you'll see this kind of interface in your screen. And from here, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. And then from here, simply tap on Appearances. Now from here, select Dark Theme. And after some time, you will then be able to enable Dark Theme on YouTube. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.